See, what is the question? Sum of 4 consecutive terms. Now again it is a sum and 4 terms are given. Okay. And their sum is given 32. Then the ratio of product of first and last term to the product of two middle terms is given 7:15. You have to find the numbers. Now, what is the important point? Now here they have given sum of 4 terms. So whenever sum of 4 numbers in AP, so how we suppose the numbers? Let the numbers be. Okay, whenever the sums are given, sum is given for the 4 numbers. So let the numbers be. How you take the number? A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus B and A plus 3D. Tell me, will they be in AP? Check karo. Find the difference from here to here. It will be the 2D. Find the difference of this and this. It will be the 2D. Difference of this and this. It will be the 2D. Means they are in AP. So whenever sum of 4 numbers is given, so how you will take the numbers? A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D and A plus 3D. Why? Since the sum is given 32, so means A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D and A plus 3D is how much? 32. Can you see minus 3D plus 3D will be cancelled, minus D and D will be cancelled. What you will get? 4A is 32. So what this implies? Will you get the value of A as 8 or not? So this is a benefit if we take the numbers this way. So we will get the value of A as 8. Am I clear why we are taking the numbers this way? Now read the question further. Ratio of product of first and last term. What is our first term? A minus 3D. What is the last term? A plus 3D. He is saying ratio. Ratio matlab divided by product of two middle terms. A minus D and A plus D. What is that ratio? That ratio has given 7/15. Yes or no? This is a thing. Now, what is the identity in the numerator? A plus B, A minus B. We know that is your A square minus B square. B square means 9D square, right? Again A plus B, A minus B. A square minus B square is given 7/15. Correct? What is the value of A? We got the value of A as 8. Replace the value of A. When you will replace A as 8, you will get 64 minus 9D square divided by 64 minus D square will be equals to 7/15. Right? Shall I do the cross multiplication? 64 into 15. It will be how much? Tell me. 64 into 15 is 960. Right? When you will do the multiplication, 960. 15 into 9 is 135 D square. 64 into 7, do the multiplication and tell how much you will get. You will get 448. Okay, 64 into 7 is 448 and minus 7 D square. You know, we will do the cross multiplication. Bring D square this side. So minus 135 D square and plus 7 D square will be equal to 448 minus 960. Yes or no? Minus 35 plus 7. How much you will get? Minus 128. And 448 minus 960 is how much? 512. Minus 512 from 960. When you will subtract 448, you will get 512. This negative and negative cancel. What will be the value of D square? Divided by this. Can you see it is going on 4 table? 128 into 4 gives 512. You will get D square as 4. So what is the value of D? If D square is 4. So what this implies? Value of D will be plus minus 2. Right? Now you have to find the numbers. Value of A is fixed 8. Value of D is what? 2. Value of A is 8 and value of D is what? Minus 2. Start finding the numbers. Your first number is A minus 3D. A is 8, 3D means 6, 2. What is your second number? A minus D. A is 8, D is 2. How much you will get? 6. Look at your next number. A plus D means 8 plus 2. How much you will get? 10. And what is the last number? A plus 3D means 8 plus 6. What you will get? 14. Can you see they are in AP? 2, 6, 10, 14. They maintain a difference of 4. Right? Yes, these are the numbers. Okay, these are the numbers. Now, come over here. Again, A minus 3D. How much you will get? A is 8. Negative, negative plus 6. You will get 14. Next one is A minus D. Means 8 plus 2. You will get 10. Then A plus D. A plus D matlab 8 minus 2. You will get 6. And then A plus 3D. A is 8 plus 3D means minus 6. What you will get? 2. So the numbers are same. Numbers are what? 2, 6, 10, 14. It is coming reverse. But what are the numbers? If we talk about the numbers, numbers are 2, 6, 10 and 14. So these are the numbers in AP. Correct? Right? So here the numbers are, so means here the AP is what? If you want to write the AP will be 2, 6, 10, 14. And since here D is negative, so AP will be decreasing AP. So your AP is this with the numbers. Clear?